The effects of Log4j still ripple almost 2 years after its discovery. There should be no surprise that this vulnerability family can be found in the 2022 Top Routinely Exploited Vulnerabilities Report published by CISA in partnership with other cybersecurity agencies. In a nutshell, an actor can exploit this vulnerability. The actor can then steal information, launch ransomware, or conduct other malicious activity. Malicious cyber actors began exploiting the vulnerability after it was publicly disclosed in December 2021 and continue to show high interest in CV-2021-44228 to the first half of 2022. Yes, you should care even today. According to Sonatype, around a third of the related downloads from Maven Central are vulnerable. The main reason this happens is due to the shaky software supply chain. The report provides a couple of advices on how to decrease the risk of supply chain attacks. Number 1. Reduce the number of third-party dependencies. Exceptions should be made only if required to support business-critical functions. Number 2. Ensure contracts require vendors and third-party service providers to inform you of security incidents and vulnerabilities within decent timeframe. Provide SBOMs with all products. Are transparent on their secure by design program and how they are working to remove classes of vulnerabilities and to set secure default settings. As I reported heavily on this one, the resources section is packed with links from different sources. You can listen to more content on other threads in today's episode of 505updates.com. Olimpiu PoV reported from Transylvania, Romania.